Hi, this is Mike Hamilton from TradeEasyway.com on the 23rd of May, just about to do the weekly review. All of these indices in the US and the UK have got hammers, but I am not going to take them, and I'm going to explain why. Having said that, this is a hammer above major resistance because of this price action here, a lot of price action here, and the fact we're above the 200-day moving average is very positive here. But you've got to stop down here, and your target is up here. But that risk reward ratio is 2 to 1 and not 3 to 1, so I am standing aside and not going to take that. There's a lot of resistance up here, a lot of resistance on the 8 EMA, but I am not going to take that, and I don't recommend you do that either. Although that is a nice clean hammer. So if you just quickly look at the ES. So we'll just follow on with a quick look at the ES. You can see a hammer there, the risk reward ratio is not there, and the YM, the Dow futures, you see a hammer just on the 200 EMA, but the risk reward ratio is not there. On all of these, the value chart reading is low, so we are likely to see, it is highly likely we are to see reversal. I'm looking at oil to see if I can detect any reversal signals in oil. We finished just narrowly on major support here from this area here. If the equity markets do come up, then I am looking for reversals in the oil. Divergent value chart reading, but it's still a weak bar. It's still, but the ATMA is miles away. This ATMA is practically a straight line. So it's very, very weak. Let's see. Have a look at the dollar to see if we can get an indication from the dollar. We've had 3 days selling on the dollar, and we've now got a value chart, a very low value chart reading of -4. So we haven't got -8, so likely to see a retest of 20, I suspect. By the time we get a retest of 20, this will be -8. So looking for further weakness in the US dollar, which will lead us to some interesting possibilities on the Forex. Before I do that, I want to have a look at gold. Sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. Here is gold. It's right on this trend line, support, just above this support here, this horizontal support. So I have actually put, it's actually closed on that trend line at 1177. I'm going to take a break of 1184 with a stop down there at 1164, just slightly below that hammer, and with a target of 1250. Got low RSI, it's not extreme RSI, but it's very low. So let's see that, and if that breaks through the trend line support on Monday and drops back down to the 50 EMA, which is here, 50 EMA is there at 1163, that's fine, and then my long will not be triggered, and I will stay out of the trade, I will cancel the order and then stand aside and wait and see what happens. But if I get a break above 1184, then I will hold the stop down there and see if I can get a move back up to these highs. So that's on gold. Let's move on.